गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
மகாயோகம் அமைப்பிலிருந்து ஒரு கஷாயம் கொடுத்தாங்க. அந்த கஷாயம் 14 வகையான மூலிகைகளால தயாரிச்சு அவங்க கொடுக்குறாங்க. அது ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய ஒரு அருமை இருந்து நல்ல ஃபாஸ்ட் ரெக்கவரி கிடைக்குது. ஹோமியோபதி.
In recent days, most of the social medias and televisions in India showing up the news that a group of meditators of Mahayogam all over Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka and Pondicherry have been distributing the Maha Kabavada soup and Kabavada tablets to various hospital workers, police stations, government sectors, sanitary workers and to thousands of civilians to enhance the autoimmune system in the body that protects against coronavirus. The selfless service of these volunteers continues to increase day by day. We have generally seen assistance to food, material and financial situations. But this yogic system service is bit different to the usual service and is amazing, which is constantly offering the Kabavada soup and Kabavada tablets for free, which increases the immunity system against COVID virus. The Mahayogam Maha Maharshi Trust, which is headed by Kanjipuram, is running variety of programs to help the humanity to live a healthy and happy life. In modern times, Mahayogam is one of the few systems that operate in the Guru-disciple tradition. Its teachings consist of all the 3 types of yoga, the Hatha Yoga, Kriya Yoga and the Laya Yoga. The most noble yoga postures, breathing and meditation techniques to strengthen the body, mind and the spirit is being taught and guiding its meditators to live their best. More than that, the guidance to know the answer for the world's hardest question, who am I, is taught through step-by-step practices with the highest yogic secrets to those who are very keen, committed, practice sincerely and want to feel it. Hatha Yoga consists of yoga postures that brings more flexibility and strength to the body. Mindfulness is possible only after the body becomes flexible and strong. Kriya Yoga consists of breathing practices. Energy called prana from the air is the main source for our body and mind functions. When this energy decreases, then diseases increase. On the other hand, if we know the art of saving this energy properly in the body, not only the physical illness gets cured, but also mental illness will fade away. Kriya practices helps storing prana energy in the body. Laya Yoga purely consists of practices to calm the mind and body through meditation. Meditation is nothing but the total relaxation of both body and mind. We face many problems in our day-to-day life in situations we are poor in decision making, which results in anger, fear, anxiety, and we continue to live with lot of mental stress. Meditation is the only solution to get the kind of energy that is needed to sort out all these issues. In general, Mahayogam is servicing the humankind to live a complete life with health, peace, joy, as well as providing real solution to one's inner search for spiritual wisdom. Mahayogam continues to conduct free awareness campaigns on medicine and yoga. It encourages the community by conducting various yoga competitions every year and issues certificates for the participants. During the 2015 major flood situation in Chennai, Mahayogam has provided service to the public by donating and giving medical assistance. Mahayoham meditators continue to do various kinds of services. In general, our ancient Siddhas, called as saints, were very unique and they are beyond our imagination and expectation, who attained highest level in yogic science. They are experts in various scientific fields like astroscience, medical science, engineering science, nuclear science, atom science, and electronic science. All Siddhas had their own career. Most of them were doctors. This is the scale that helps us to identify the Siddhas. Mahayoham is pursuing its medical services in the way shown up by our ancient Siddhas. Dr. K.P. Gunanidhi is the founder and guru of Mahayoham, the one who has got all the above said privileges of Siddha and is living his life simple and as a message to the world. With his great unconditional love of Guru tradition, he is giving the highest yogic secrets to the disciples by simplifying its techniques. He always asks the disciples to believe their own experience by practicing the techniques. He is a doctor by profession. He has restored Siddha's energy medical science to medical students as a MD syllabus accredited by the Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University. He has also given guest lecturing for 4 years to MD medical students of Aringer Anna Government Medical College. The CME also been conducted by Q Expo wing of Aringer Anna Government Medical College for various doctors to get benefit out of Indian human energy science and medicine. Yes, Dr. K.P. Gunanidhi is the father of Indian human energy science and medicine. Human energy medicine is an integrated approach to medicine to improve the health standards with the objective to prevent and cure diseases and not just a symptomatic relief. He is also a Grand Master and 5th Dan Black Belt of Jenskar Martial Arts. Jenskar is the art of being inconscious. Jen means meditation and Kar stands for defense by hand. Jenskar consists of various martial arts like karate, kung fu, varmam, judo, silambam, kwikang, tai chi, hitachi, and nunjaku. This art was developed by ancient Siddhas and it has its evolution from all its masters and reached us through Dr. K.P. Gunanidhi. He continues to develop number of unique students across the world. The students of Mahayoham Jenskar have achieved many Guinness World Records and national level records like India Book of Records and Limca Book of Records. Dr. K.P. Gunanidhi has applied his energy principle to all his known fields like yoga, martial arts, and medicine and has formed energy-based martial arts and energy-based yoga. Not only that, he is also an astroscientist. He continues to develop unique students in astroscience. Basically, to gain expertise in one field typically requires much of a lifetime. Do you agree? It is, of course, a great surprise that he has mastered many fields like medicine, yoga, martial arts, astronomy science, and is the father of Indian energy science and medicine. With their guru's unconditional love and guidance, the Mahayoham followers says that they are leading a very healthy, peaceful, and a meaningful life. They also add, every day is a day of joy and happiness for them by helping others. Their statement and good deeds stimulate us to have a great interest in Mahayoham, and also it enhances our desire to participate in its practices, isn't it? Why not? Let's give a try. Thank you.